Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and preparing your phone. This saves time and prevents errors. First, make sure your Honda infotainment shows CarPlay support in menus. That tells you whether wired or wireless works. Enable Siri and Bluetooth on your iPhone, then unlock it. Plug an Apple-approved Lightning cable into the phone and the car USB labeled with a smartphone icon, or, if supported, prepare to pair wirelessly via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, you're ready for the setup sequence in the head unit. Now you'll connect and grant permissions so CarPlay can mirror apps. On the Honda display, select the smartphone or Apple CarPlay tile. The head unit initiates a handshake. When the iPhone shows a prompt, tap Allow to give CarPlay access to contacts and notifications. This lets apps route audio and navigation. For wireless setups, pair Bluetooth first, then follow prompts to join the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure both devices remain unlocked during initial authorization. Once the icons appear, you'll see the CarPlay. Finish by customizing and testing so the experience is reliable. On your iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay to rearrange apps and remove clutter. This affects the Honda display layout. Use Siri to make sure voice commands work, then test navigation, calling, and audio playback to confirm sound routing. If CarPlay fails to appear, try a different certified cable or USB port, reboot your iPhone, and perform an infotainment reset if needed. This clears temporary glitches and usually restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.